trick or treat?
Oh, here we go again. I can't believe Halloween is upon us already.
Wait, do you not like Halloween?
It's not that. Once Halloween is here, it means cold nights and dark mornings.
Well, that is how the seasons work.
Then, before you know it, it's Christmas. Then it's New Year. The year goes by in a blink.
Well, what's wrong with that?
I'll tell you what's wrong with that. It's Halloween, and I'm yet to start my New Year's resolution. I wanted to learn how to be good at the harmonica.
Well, about the trick or treat.
No time for that now. I've got to practice.
What a waste of time.